Morning, everybody. It is Monday, March 30th. We are starting our online class today. So I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what your Schoology page will look like. Please take a look and let me know if you have any questions. So I'm logged into Schoology right now as a student. You can click this first Engineering or Science B link. I did copy this course from another course I had made just to make it a little easier. So you click there. And right now you've got two possible links. You've got course information, so I'll click that first. Make sure you definitely go through this. This is another video that I created. Just take a look at that. This is an online forum. You can click there if you have any questions. These questions will go out to everybody in your section, so everyone in your individual class period can see these questions. Should be able to respond. If you don't feel comfortable posting a question there, definitely shoot me an email and I will respond for sure. Next one down. Since many of you have not done online learning before, we put this link in, how to do your best with online learning. Sometimes links, if they're PDFs, you get this coming up. So just click this top link there and it will bring up a PDF that shows you how to rock distance learning. So definitely take a look at that and follow those sort of guidelines because they will help you out. So back in Schoology, course information, and you will see down here, this is how we're going to be using Schoology in the course. Read through that link. This is a calendar that we have. It's a very broad calendar. It basically shows the weeks that we have for each unit. So if I click on that link, you can see that we've got this whole pink section. This first 2-week section is just your unit 1. All right, so we've got 2 weeks for unit 1, and next unit is 2 weeks for, or excuse me, 1 week for unit 2, and so forth. So you can read through that. And there you go. Back to course information. You guys have an online textbook just to kind of use as an extra resource if you'd like. That's right there. And then our syllabus right there. So the main things I want you to take from this video is using your units. So here's unit 1, rocks, layers, the earth, and resources. So I click that link. And we've got 3 separate folders. First folder is notes. So if you click there, you can see we've got 3 separate sets of notes to read through. If you are someone that does better while writing them down, I would definitely recommend writing them down. There's obviously no requirement to do that based on this is an online course, but it's going to help you be able to study a little bit better if you have those written down just because you're used to that. So those are your notes. The next section is called required formative quizzes and activities. So I'm clicking on that. Notice it is required. You've got, for each learning target that we have, you've got an assignment, and then you've got a short quiz right here. So assignment, quiz. They don't have to be done in any order. I would highly recommend doing the assignment before the quizzes. But there you go. Quizzes are one time only. So then I will go back to the unit homepage. There's a third folder called optional other resources, strongly recommended. If I click on that, it brings you to a whole host of resources that I highly recommend you use. First set is based on layers of the earth. Second set is based on rocks and the rock cycle. Last set is the Earth's resources. So those are all things that will be very, very helpful to you to help you understand things a little bit better. I would definitely recommend going through those as well. And then the final one is the Unit 1 test. So you can see right here, it says Unit 1 Layers, Rocks, Resources Summative Test, open 4/9 at 8:15 a.m. until 4/13 at 3 p.m. So this is your summative exam. You do need to take this. It will only be open during that time slot. If you have issues with that time slot, please let me know. We can work something out. In closing, I want you to just make sure that if you're confused on anything, you ask. I will definitely help you out. I will make sure you're understanding what you need to know, but I can't do that unless you ask. So send me an email. We can chat about it. I will be here at my computer 9 to noon every day of the week, Monday to Friday. All right? Let's have a great class.